Hi, I am Sharamed Shubho. I am full stack developer specializing in building scalable and intelligent applications. Today, I will walk you through an e-commerce application I recently developed as a hands-on project to learn and apply AI and RAG technologies. What makes this app unique is that user can control it using natural language. Most e-commerce apps require clicks, taps, and manual navigation. I wanted to explore what if a app could understand what you say or tap. So I built an e-commerce platform where user can search product, change app setting, and interact the cart all through natural languages. Example: change theme to dark theme. The app switches theme instantly. Search for gold product. Products are fetched and displayed. Add the first product to my cart. Cart updated in real time. How many products are on this page? AI replace with the cart count. Remove first product from my cart and go to about page. Cart updates and app navigates to the about page. Now take stack and features. On the client side, I use Next.js TRPC. On server side, I built APIs with Hunos, use Langchain.js for natural language understanding and Socket.io for real-time interaction. The product pages are fully SEO friendly, make them discoverable by search engine. I also implemented server-side rendering for product pages, ensure fast loading, up-to-date content, and better performance across device. Together, those tools and features make the app fast, interactive, intelligent, and productive. This product shows how AI can create more intuitive shopping experience. Instead of adopting the apps adapt to the user. With SEO optimization and server-side rendering, it also built for real-world scalability and growth. Thanks for watching this demo of my AI-powered e-commerce app. If you are looking for a developer who can combine modern full-stack development with practical AI integration, I love to connect. Feel free to reach out. I will be happy to build it for you and your team.